The price of eating out these days is very expensive. Even simple dishes like stir-fried Chinese broccoli or Gailan cost $18 to $20. This is wild when we can make this great vegetable dish at home for $5. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. So, let's get cooking. We'll take a 2-pound bag of Gailan and separate our stems from the leaves. Then use a knife or scissors to cut the Gailan into about 2 to 3 inch long pieces. We'll then mince 8 garlic cloves. On a wok set to high heat, add some neutral oil, then our garlic. Add about 1 pound at a time of our Chinese broccoli, and we'll stir fry it together for about 2 to 3 minutes. And boom, we have a stir-fried Chinese broccoli with garlic. This goes great with other stir-fries or noodles and is just a solid vegetable dish with any meal. The best part is this costs less than half of what you'd pay eating out. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.